Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So, today we will be solving, I think, 10th problem minimum pizzas. Okay, so the problem says each pizza consists of 4 slices. Okay, I think it is a small size pizza. There are n friends and each friend needs exactly x slices. So okay, so n friends are there and each friend they need x slices. So find the minimum number of pizza they should order to satisfy their appetite. So basically there are n friends and each friend needs x slice pizza, and in one pizza we can make only 4 slices. So we need to find minimum number of pizzas that can be that has to be ordered to satisfy the needs. Okay. Okay, yeah. So I think let's what is saying output format output the minimum of pizzas required. We have to output the minimum number of pizzas, and input format is given. First line contains test cases. Let's check int c int while t minus minus. This will take care of all the test cases, and in each test case consists of two integers n and x. So let's take n and x both. Let's take in input the number of friends and the number of slices each friend wants respectively. So let's start with the example. Let's understand this. T is 4 basically here, so which means there are 4 test cases, and n is 1, and x is 5. N is 1 meaning there is only one friend and he needs 5 slices of pizzas. Okay, so and we know in one pizza we make only 4 slices. So 4 plus 1 will give as uh, number of slices that he needs. Okay, so one pizza is fully required which has 4 plus slices, and one more pizza we need so that he can have 5 slices. So two pizzas will be required. You got it? Okay. Now here let's see this. We have here two friends, and both the friends require 6 slices. Okay, so how many pizzas do we need to order? So if you see in one pizza there are only 4 slices. So if you multiply this to 2 into 6, which is 12, and basically 12 slices are required. And if you see in pizzas, 4 slices, the pizza is 4 slices. If you sum up 3 pizza, if you take minimum of 3 pizzas, that will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. So which will be our answer here in this case. So basically what will you will have to do is n star x will have to do divided by 4 you will have to do. Okay, and I'll tell one more thing. In first example we had here, so I'll tell that in last. And let's continue with the third one. There are 4 friends, and each friend requires only 3 slices of pizzas. So if you multiply 4 into 3, which is 12, which is 12. So um, so 12 pieces of slices of pizzas are required. So if you order 3 pizzas, okay, that will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, basically 12 slices. So 3 pizzas minimum you have to order. So basically what you will have to do is you will have to here multiply n into x divided by 4. So n into x is basically 12, divided by 4 is 3. So here 3 is the answer. Now let's consider this one. I think this is interesting. um okay, so 3 friends are there and each friend requires how many pizzas, how many slices? 5 slices. So 3 into 5 you do 15 slices are required, but pizzas come in order of 4 slices. So see, if you multiply 3 into 5, which is 15, divided by 4, if you do once again. I am doing on-call duty this week, so I'm getting alerts. So what I was saying 3 into 5 if you do, and divided by 4 if you do. 15 by 4 is basically 3. Okay, but we need 4 pizzas. Reason being, if you order 3 pizzas, so you will have only 12 slices, but we need 15 slices. Okay, so one more you'll have to order. So basically, what you will have to do is you will have to do n into x divided by 4. That will give minimum number of pizzas, and you will have to find remainder as well. 3 into 5 modulo 4. If you do, if you get any remainder greater than 0, then in that case one more pizza you will have to order. I think you got the problem statement. Now let's try to code it up. We have taken an index. What we'll have to do is minimum. Let's take one variable minimum pizza, and that will be n star x divided by 4. Okay, and we'll check here n star x n star x modulo 4. If it has any reminder, which means you have ordered this many pizzas, minimum number of pizzas, but still you required reminder, basically whatever reminder you get, those many slices you need. So you need to fulfill that slices, you need to order one more pizza. So minimum pizza you'll have to increase, and at the end you need to out this pizza. Let's try to run the code. Yeah, as you can see, 2334 2334. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So I think you got what is the problem statement. It was easy only, not that hard. So there will be inference, and each friend requires x slice of pizzas, and in one pizza there are only 4 slices, so you'll have to divide by that value n star x by 4. So this many pizzas you'll get, and if there are any reminder while doing this thing, so which means extra slices are required. To fulfill that extra slices, you need to order one more extra pizza. Okay, so we are doing here minimum pizza plus plus, and then at the end we are outputting minimum pizza. So I think you got what was the problem statement and how we'll have to solve this. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.